In this video, we're going to explain what an ERP system or an enterprise resource planning system is. What it is, ERP is a software system where all the departments in a manufacturing company, as well as the elements that connect a manufacturer to its supply base and customer base, such as transportation and warehousing, they're all connected together into one software package so the manufacturing company can operate as an integrated whole. ERP can also be argued to be a structure around which all of the enterprise define how they want to perform work together in a way that's seamless and collaborative for everyone. So you see some examples here of ERP systems, and you could probably tell best by performing an internet search on ERP planning systems. And you see some of the more common names that range from SAP to Oracle to QAD. Navision 365 is another, Epicor. They all cover all the different ranges from large companies' ability to small companies as well. ERP systems have been built to meet specific needs of an industry vertical as well, and as broad enough to be used across multiple industry verticals. And that's why you see below there are ERP systems built specifically for manufacturing or plastics, education, school districts to plan their facilities and such. So ERP systems are important to understand and engage with because that's how most organizations computerize their planning and their execution activities for supply and demand of resources and priorities these days. More importantly to me is the thinking structure of ERP and how work is to be done. Utilizing ERP and hopefully utilizing it effectively means we're pushed to step back and to think about our strategies and how we want to perform our work in each part of our company so that we can align with and support our company strategy. Often when a company decides to upgrade or implement a new ERP system, it's a chance to ask the question, how do we want to do business? These are the meetings that occur either concurrently with or after learning the ERP system, and the meetings typically start with a review or understanding of the strategy, and then they move to working back from the voice of the customer and how we want to manage demand, all the way back through our supply chain to our suppliers, and they define how we want to perform our work. From there, we also fold in all the other support functions like finance, quality, human resources, etc. So from an impact standpoint, the result is we now have an organization that's more effective, more efficient, more competitive, because we've got a structure that's collaborative and agreed to via consensus so that we can perform our work in a way that's aligned with and supportive of our strategy, and we meet what the customer wants. In addition, we should be more profitable as a company because we worked hard and had a focus on alignment, so all the activities that we're performing, again, are aligned with and supportive of the strategy and therefore value added. Some of the names here is a list of some of the top supply chains from 2021 as they were defined by Gartner Consulting Group in supply chain and other areas. So we see here certainly Cisco, Colgate, Johnson & Johnson, Schneider, Nestle, certainly many others, but what they all have in common as top supply chains is visibility and synchronization across the supply chain, as well as work being performed in a much more aligned way.